HD Truck Company case study. This case study is about transportation problem of the company HDT Truck. HDT has received order of 50 trucks from a buyer in Saudi Arabia for oil field. This is one of the most important order for HDT. As per initial contract, HDT is responsible for both protection and delivery of truck at the port in Doha. The cost of the truck, including delivery cost, is decided as $172,000 per truck. The company has to deliver the truck before the 1st of July. Here is vendor pool provided details about two options of transportation to the pawn. Pawn request vendor pool to draw a chart of two available options for transportation. He requested to draw a chart cost on the left and the overland Biltmore cost column on the right. The chart shows the comparisons of charter's cost and Biltmore cost. Based on the cost analysis between Biltmore and charter vessels, the latter is charter. The cost of charter versus is 109,470, whereas for Biltmore, the former route of Biltmore because it has more benefits in the term of cash flow and time. For instance, if HDT company used the Biltmore route, the truck will be sent in a pairs, and the pairs 25 and 26 will reach on 8 May, as mentioned by Vanderpool. On the other hand, if we use charter vessels, the truck will reach on the 30th May, so the time difference is vast. The initial contract between buyer and HDT includes transportation cost along with the production, and then total cost is around $172,000 per truck. If the buyer is willing to charter the truck by themselves, a few things need to be considered. Firstly, the company needs to negotiate loading cost at Crown Point. If the loading is on HDT and the rest of the cost is on the buyer, then the company will offer $1,600 per truck reduction. For the earliest, decide a price of $172,000 per truck. This $1,600 will be freight and handling cost. This will make the cost $170,036 per truck for a buyer. If the HDT is responsible to only deliver product at Baltimore and unloading is on the buyer, in this case, the freight, loading, and insurance will be paid by HDT. Only the unloading cost is on a buyer. In this case, the unloading cost, which is approximately $100 per truck, will be reduced from the original cost of the truck. This will be $5,000 for 50 truck. The cost per truck will be reduced to $171,000 for the buyer. Originally at the low interest rate, HDT has chosen Baltimore. However, if the interest rate is increased to a certain percent, then the condition will be different. We can find out the cost with the following calculation. HDT is currently borrowing at the rate of 8% in order to pay back. The company needs cash flow early. The early payment will reduce the cost of interest rate. If the company pay over time, this will increase the production time and the product will be delivered sooner than expected. Along with this, company will need more cash to pay employee. However, the company will be able to pay early and the interest rate will be less. The HDT should borrow finance at the rate of 12% per annum. This will increase the efficiency of production line and company will assemble more than 2 trucks per day and ensure early payment of interest.